How do you save a sunburned Ficus lyrata tree with 70% of all the leaves are brownish, burnt and dry, and turn it into a greeny, tree-like form Ficus lyrata tree like this? In this video, I'll show you how. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do like, share and hit the subscribe button. Once I had this Ficus lyrata tree where I placed it inside my home office. It was growing very slowly and I thought that I should expedite the process. So I took it out and put it under direct sunlight in my backyard. And after about 4 hours in the afternoon, I came outside and looked at that tree. I was shocked when I saw that 70% of the leaves were burnt. It was brownish, it was pale and it was dry, and I was shocked. And finally, I overcome by doing these simple methods, and I'll show you how in this video. This is the leaf that was badly sunburnt. As you can see that 90% of the surface is dry, and those leaves that were on the upper part of the stem was similar to this. So I decided to remove the upper part or the apex, leaving to this particular condition. And as you can see on the lower parts, there was still about 40% of the leaves that was still healthy. So what happened is when I removed the apex of that stem, you can see that there are lateral buds appearing on the sides of the stem. And this is a good indication that new shoots will appear and new leaves will appear on the lateral buds. Over here is a close-up of the photo or of the lateral buds. And about 2 weeks, leaves has appeared on both of the lateral buds. And this is a very good indication. As in this photo, you can clearly see that there are some of those leaves that were still green that I left before this, but this was really important to allow photosynthesis to continue. And after about nearly 1 month, you can see that there's more leaves growing, and those old leaves were still there. I still left it just to allow an effective or more photosynthesis. But eventually, after nearly about more than 1 month, I removed those leaves that were sunburnt, as I knew that it is now okay and it can rely on the new leaves for photosynthesis. So I continued to take care of it, giving proper nutrition and proper water, and as you can see that now it's looking good. There's 2 branches from the particular stem. Interestingly, in this new form, it looks a bit more like a tree-like shape of the Ficus lyrata compared to when previously it was just one apical dominance or just one stem with leaves. So when it's branching, it looks a bit more like a tree, and I think I love it this way. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please comment and I'd like to hear what you think. And if this video did help you, I'd appreciate if you would subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.